Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So for today's DIY, I wanted to honor the upcoming Chinese New Year for February 10th, and I wanted to show you how you can make your very own DIY pinwheel craft. Here I'm using Dollar Tree's construction paper, and unfortunately their construction paper isn't very thick, so I do not recommend it for this project, but for the simple purposes of the DIY and showing you how it's done, I'm actually following this book called Moonbeams, Dumplings and Dragonboats. So the construction paper is 9 by 12 and I decided to make a square out of it with a 9-inch side and fold down to make a triangle and cut off the excess, and then fold the square into two open it up into a square and fold it back into two triangles, one smaller than the last, and then open it up again, and I have these 4 folds that lead up to points, and I cut those down to the center, leaving about an inch away from the center. Then I take the every other end or point and I glue it to the center. And I keep doing that until every other point is glued down. You'll notice I selected a second color. I just do it for a repeated process. I decided to use hot glue for a quicker hold, but it also really holds well with this project. Then I grab a pin and a straw and I poke a hole through the straw, and then I attach the straw to the pinwheel using the pin. Please note that a 9-inch square for this project is absolutely huge. I do recommend that you stick with the instructions in the book, where it suggests something around 6 to 8 inches in length. Unfortunately, I don't own any wire cutters, so rather than worrying about trying to bend it over when this pin is really strong, I decided to take hot glue and just cover the point end on the other side of the straw, and then it was not so dangerous. I decided to repeat the process using one of the scraps left over from the red construction paper and make a miniature version instead. Then I decided to cut off the majority of the straw, leaving maybe about an inch left of the straw with the pinwheel attached. And then I put that over top of this Paper Mate purple pen that I had on hand, because the back end is very narrow and it fits perfectly. You could attach it with hot glue to keep it in place. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.